Well, you know, looking at the sky, it's been dark and threatening in many parts of the state, including Alamogordo the past couple of days. Good-looking sunset here. Brian McKinstry sending this in, pics at KRQE.com. I point this out because now's the time to grab the camera because you might get some photo ops this weekend. We've got some more active weather to talk about. Here's what's shaping up, and I want to draw your attention first of all to this little frontal boundary here in the northeastern part of the state. This is a stationary front. It means it's not really moving much. But behind this front, there's a lot of moisture there, and there's also some great atmospheric dynamics in this area. That's why this area is under the tornado watch. You see it clips all of northeastern New Mexico. And while we don't have any severe weather warnings in place around the state right now, these shades of yellow you see in Colorado back here into Texas, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. We do have some active weather out there, including some pretty good thunderstorms now starting to work their way into that watch area. That's where we take you first, southern parts of Union County. Going to watch these storms. Right now, they don't appear to be anything too threatening, although they're moving into a very favorable environment. Meanwhile, to the west, the environment's not such that we're seeing a lot of heavy rains, but we're seeing showers that are forming and then evaporating on the way down. And what this is doing is creating some very gusty winds. It's blustery throughout much of the Rio Grande Valley. And the same story goes on down here across parts of the Gila. And we're kind of concerned about this area of the Gila because you see the shades of yellow and orange showing up here, southern parts of Catron County and stretching southward as we go. Some of these may actually be producing lightning without any rainfall. Keep in mind, this is the area that's been looking at a few fires burning the past week or so. So all in all, there's plenty of active weather out there. So we'll go back to that weather map, and you can see these showers in the west kind of being fueled by that jet stream aloft. So what I think is going to happen rolling on into Sunday is we're going to pull that jet energy a little further to the east. So central and eastern parts of the state will probably be wettest with things drying out in the west. And then as we get ready to move into next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, dry air takes over, and that's when things are really going to heat up out there. Things actually started heating up in the metro today because even though we had some cloud cover, we had some gusty south winds kind of pushing temperatures closer to normal. So far, 87 has been the high temperature. That's where we are right now. But you see those gusty winds currently out of the south at 26 miles per hour. And look at the warmth down in the southeastern part of the state. Roswell, 101, 103 in Carlsbad, 99 in Hobbs. That area didn't see the clouds today, but you see they will be under the clouds tomorrow. It looks like Sunday's going to be a repeat of Saturday. So we're just going to kind of shift everything a little further to the east, but going region by region here, you can definitely see those showers are going to stick around. Temperatures, well, down south, they're going to remain warmest, but because of the little increase in cloud cover, I think we will drop out of the triple digits, but only for about a day or so there. Moving into the East Mountain communities, not much activity today. A lot of wind, but not much rain. You could see a few passing showers and even an occasional thunderstorm tomorrow. And even though we haven't seen a lot of rain in the metro area, mostly wind and passing clouds, there's a chance not only tonight but tomorrow of seeing a few more showers as well. That'll continue up into Santa Fe. But once we get into next week proper, look at that. It dries out and it warms up. It's really going to feel like June out there. Could be our hottest week so far of the summer season around much of the state. Many days in the 90s headed this way.
It doesn't look too bad, though.
All right.
Thank you, Jason. Tonight.